Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix JSON error in WordPress. So for example, if you are having this, the response is not valid, a JSON response, or updating failed, one of these two, when you try to publish your post, then the solution would be, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to your hosting provider. So for example, for me, it would be the DreamHost, and go ahead to manage websites, or if you have another hosting service, hosting provider, then go to their cPanel. For me it would be right there, and they actually don't have the whole cPanel like this, but for me it is right there on web options and web application firewall, which is a mod security. So what you want to do is turn this off and save the changes. And another thing that you want to do is go ahead to the PHP version. You may find it also on cPanel, on software options. But basically here I will modify it, and you want to change it to the latest version and change the PHP. Now, after you have tried that, try to basically just publish your post, and it should work just fine. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.